Oh, I just checked. Oh my.
Who did the hey wake up thing? That's uncool. That's not cool.
Hey, wake up.
That's not
Wait,
cool.
should we get Bo to help us? I just lost my game.
I'm coming with the 12 gauge. Come with the 12 gauge. Gonna run to the NPC.
Oi, I really need. Wait, so who got my gun?
Yeah, I mean, there's like a whole nother like couple of minutes, but.
So what did you do?
What have I done?
No. What did Jeremy do? Like, why are we asking if it's him?
So basically, you know when you guys TOU rated Warfield?
Yeah.
Basically, a bunch of people were like communicating with bullbar like to grab their stuff and giving call outs on your location, like, and shit like that.
And bullbar did it, and then bullbar called NLR on the cops, but I called into the cops that he was holding up a paramedic.
I don't think I'm gonna warn bullbar for metagame because he was alive, but I'm probably gonna talk to him because he was technically, you know, condoning it and like, you know, asking questions.
Well, technically, he did actually partake in metagame because metagame is taking outside of character information to
that is very
benefit
true.
your roleplay.
Alright, I'll go warn him now.
Because I ended up giving the police rights on it, going on TOU and everything over it because I felt it was only fair.
I don't mine and what's called Target's trials end today?
Was it today or tomorrow? I'm pretty sure I calculated it to 3 days yesterday, but I promoted you on July 1st.
Other trials?
You're supposed to be off trial.
Oh, am I? How long's trial?
That was
wait.
very not fun.
Oh, okay, so me and
What was not fun?
The Wu gang.
Yeah, I'm not happy.
The only fun I had was raiding Warfield.
Hang on, guys, hang on. Bullbar wants to come talk about his one. Hold up.
Bullbar never died, apparently.
Yeah, but he did take outside information into the thing.
To benefit roleplay. Yeah.
Okay, yep.
And that's what metagame is. Yeah.
Yeah, he did come back, yeah. I forgot about that. The part I enjoyed was when Bambi allowed us to go TAU.
Alright, I'm bringing Bullbar in now.
User was moved to your channel.
This sucks though.
Okay, why was I warned and banned? I would love to know.
So basically what I've had brought to my attention is that people requested you to collect their guns and stuff, and you acted upon that, which is technically metagaming, because you're taking outside of character information and using it to benefit roleplay.
Well, it wasn't really that. I took their guns, and we had a discussion that I would mail it to them afterwards. So they actually didn't tell me to get their guns. I got it for them.
Well, I've been told otherwise by staff members that were part of the situation.
Okay, so what the fuck is who's messing around with my tags?
No, just give me a guess.
Okay. What? Give me operator. Well, so it's a common courtesy in GGS to get people's guns, alright, and give back to them once they're done, right? I have people going in my face like
people were dead.
Hold on.